Hi, this video is regarding how to create a home-based small studio corner for your unboxing videos. Now these days everyone who watch videos on YouTube have some kind of passion towards these videos, wants to make their own YouTube channel, but they don't know how to make one that attracts the audience. This video is regarding how to set up a small corner YouTube studio for yourself at your home. You are going to need 3 basic items or equipments to make a small home-based corner studio for your YouTube channel. Number 1, a basic video recording camera and a tripod. You are going to need a video recording camera with microphone support, as you will be speaking and explaining about the product. The recording camera must be a high definition camera, as it should maintain a high quality video for your YouTube presence. Number 2, a light setup. To record a studio-like videos, you need a light setup to enhance the aesthetics and bring a studio feel to the video that you record. You need a key light in your room, and it should be targeted towards the product, or if you are just talking to the camera, it should be targeting towards you from the above and from a certain angle to bring highlights and shadows on your face that showcase the structure of your face and bring life to the high definition videos you record. Third would be a table with a product on it. If you are showcasing a product and making unboxing videos, you are gonna need a table to keep that product. Camera will be focusing onto the table and fits it perfectly, not showing the floor or the background. The light should be focusing on the product that is placed on the table and should be at a certain angle to draw smooth shadows. If you are making a video that just showcasing you sitting and the background is visible, you must set up background lights and a stunning seating arrangement for yourself to enhance the viewing experience for the YouTube audience. You can simply use some lights behind your sitting area and brighten the background, or you can simply use the green screen effect for your videos. Now, if you want to play along with the camera and show off your camera skills, you must watch a video that I posted onto 24 camera angle shots for your films and videos. The link is in the description and up there on the corner. You need to see this video to understand and learn the angles and to use it in your YouTube videos. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for joining in, and I hope the video helps you in any way. So this is how my studio looks like, and this is basically how it is. See, it's so small and in the corner, but it's really better lit and precise in the size. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the video. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please go ahead and do subscribe, and don't forget to push the bell icon. Thanks for watching.